our last class, we have created some goals, I think, na?
Yes.
For one user, and we have created goals in two ways. One, we have created goal with the help of personal goal, and another we have created with the help of library goal. So two ways we have created the goal. Let me go into the sheet once. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have taken these categories and everything, and the customer service and the technical knowledge we have completed category. And for the customer service, we have used the personal base to create a goal, and the technical knowledge we have created with the help of library, goal library,
Yes.
if you remember. Okay, so the third way which will be is that is through the goal wizard. Okay, so I'm just going into the screen. So just give me a moment. What was the user? I think Alex was the user.
Yeah.
I have went into the manager's proxy, and then I think I have chosen one direct reporting last time.
Yes. Yeah.
So Alex was the user, and no, Alex was the manager. We went into the manager's
I think
proxy, that is
Alex was the manager. Then Ahmed, something like that. You picked up.
Ahmed
Or
Van. Okay, we
yeah.
will see. So after going into the proxy to Alex, we went into the goal, and after that we have searched for Ahmed Van. Search for Ahmed Van, and we have selected our goal, that is okay, this is already coming, SCL basic goal. So this we have created for customer service, technical knowledge and performance. Two ways we have created. Okay, so one, while adding the goal, one was this one, creating a new goal, that was one thing. After going here, we have one is personal goal and library goal. Two ways we have created the goal for these two options,
Yep.
customer service and technical knowledge. The third way of creating the goal is the goal wizard. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this goal wizard, and goal third way goal wizards, it is called as a smart goal. Okay, so specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and time goal. Okay, so what is your goal? So we will select this goal under performance. We select this goal under the performance. Okay, because first two we have already completed, so we are taking performance. I will go into the this will be clear. That is the purpose of goal wizard. So generally on a real time we will go with this one only, either goal library or this one personal goal only, because customer time to time they used to change certain parameters like weightage or all these things. So we have to go with the manual only, but we are showing all the things.
Okay.
Personal improvement. Let me copy it. Let me go back. And when we type here, personal improvement, performance. When you type the performance, you can see something relevant which is already coming here. Okay, so if you feel something which is related to that, you can able to select that particular. But let's take something. Something I'm just taking. So this is a specific one. When I click on the next option, it will go to the measurable. performance goal. So it is already coming here. Performance goal met or not met. Okay. So that is measurable. Okay. Then when I again click on the next, it will go to the attainable. It is going into this sequence. Okay. So attainable is the goal is attainable. Okay, means the goal meets the requirement by date. This goal within the capacity. If your goal are too set, you cannot commit on the commission. So yes, this goal is attainable. Go to select as attainable. Then it will go to the relevant one. Another section. Is this goal relevant? Yes, this is the goal. This goal is relevant. That is the thing we are creating this goal. Okay. And then the time bound. So the time bound, it is automatically coming here. What is the date range which we have taken? That is already coming from the template. Okay. So we click on your next button. Okay. So it will show as a summary. What is the specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time bound. Okay. And further, here you have the add more details. So when you click on the add more detail, you will have this for the same thing which will be coming here. Okay, so you have to select as a public. Performance is there. This we have already taken. Start date, everything is already taken. Okay, so here let's take this as 50% we have completed. And performance, performance where it is. Okay, so here performance we have taken the weightage as 10%. Okay, so let's go and take here weightage as 10. So let's take this something as 80% completed. Status, okay, on track. We'll take it on track, and I'll just save and close. Let me go back here. You can see here it is automatically coming here. Okay, so again we will go and create another one. That is, click on add goal wizard, and here I will take it as performance. And what was the Excel which was referring? Resolving issue. Okay, so resolving resolving issue. If it is coming here in the drop down, you can take, or else you can take your own. Again, measurable. How you will measure, that is depending upon the metrics. As per the SLA, as per the SLA, service level agreement. Okay, attainable. Yes, it is attainable. Okay, relevant. Yes, it is relevant. Time bound. The same time bound you are taking. We will check it. Add more details. From private to public, select performance, and select this as 5%. Select this as, let's take 80%. And status, let's take this as postponed. Okay. So we have almost done it. Performance also we have done it. Technical knowledge also we have done it. Service also we have done it. Everywhere we have taken 2 goals. Now, we have created the goals in every section. Now, let me go back into that section. So this was the third method which we have done. CSV I will tell you later. Personal goal we have done. Library goal we have done. Goal wizards we have done. Okay. So again, going back into the sheet. So we have covered up this one. Create goal, goal wizards. Copy from other goal. Yes, we can able to copy that also. That is more easy. If you already have some goal, you can able to copy that. So this part, how to create the goal, excluding the CSV, we have done all these things. And when you come here into the, we have other 2 options: action, display option, and this one. This you can able to hide it. This is the hiding tool which you can able to hide it. Display option. So in the display option, you can able to see there are certain things which display option shows. This one, the visibility, goal, metrics, start date, due date, everything. If I want to add the percentage complete, so here also you have the option of percentage complete. So if I'm just opting it out, and if I'm just saving, it will move from here. Okay, percentage complete. So if I want to have the weightage also, weight and milestone also, weight, rather weight, I will go to milestone and sub goal. Okay, I need to enable it. That is one way. And coming to the action, so if I have a goal, what is the meaning? Coming to the action, we have this cascade, mass assign, delete, generate CSV header, and print to HTML or PDF. Okay, these are the features. So what is cascade? Cascade is something like you want to push your goal to your direct reportee, the same goal. So how you will do it? So I have a goal here by name Ahmed Van, right? So, and I have done the proxy for Alex. So Alex direct report is Ahmed Van. So if Ahmed Van want to cascade any of his goal to any of his direct reportee who is coming under Ahmed Van, so how we will go and do it? We will proxy to, first of all, Ahmed Van. Okay, you are already proxy to Ahmed Van. Then go to the goals. After going to the goals, you can able to see. Now, if I want to cascade my goal, so I have to select my goal. Okay, so if I am selecting this goal, okay, I am selecting one goal. Okay, so after selecting this goal, I want this goal to be pushed to one of the direct reportee of Ahmed Van. So I will select this goal and I will select cascade. Cascading means pushing or pulling the goal to the another direct reporting. Okay, so once I click on the cascade, it will show the direct reporting. Okay, under Ahmed Van, it will show the direct to whom you want to push. Okay, suppose if I select this one, Jordan pen. Okay, and I will click on the next option. Okay, so in case, let me go back, let me cancel it, and because here I have not mentioned any completed percentage, right? So let me go to the edit option. Let me take this something as 80%. Okay, now it is showing as 80%. Okay, now what I will do, I will select this goal, go to the action, cascade, okay, and select Jordan, click on the next, same goal. I am just cascading to this person, that is uh, Jordan Wang, and I'm just showing here 85% completed. Okay, and I'm just clicking on cascade. Congratulations, you have cascaded your goal successfully. Okay, once it is been cascaded, you can see here in as a proxy of Ahmed Van, I'm a Ahmed Van, so if I can see that I had proxied this goal. Okay, actually my goal was this one. Okay, and I had been proxied to this. Okay, and I cannot able to edit it, but I can edit mine. Okay, now if I go into Jordan Van, if I want to see how it will look like, so I will go to Jordan Pan. Okay, now I am into Jordan Pan. You can see here I have proxy to Jordan Pan. I go to the goal. I need to select SCL. Now you can see here. Now you can see here the manager's goal is 80% and he cannot able to. You only have view option. His goal, which has been cascaded by manager, it is showing 85%. So, and he has the edit option also. Okay, so either you can do the editing from here, that is the edit goal, or you can, if as a Jordan Pan, I can able to edit my goal. After completing my goal, I can able to mention this update dash. It has been 90% completed, and I'm just updating. Okay, so according to that, once he will also have a view, that is Ahmed Van. And you go here. Okay, now you can see here this has been updated. So according to the development of the goal, the manager can also update his goal that okay, it has been completed 90%. So in this way you can able to create a cascading between the manager and the direct report. Okay, pushing or pulling the goal to the direct report. Okay, that
Okay.
is the way cascading. This is the another method. Okay, where you already have a goal and you want to, you rather creating a goal, suppose you are sharing that goal. Okay, you want
Hmm.
that your team member also should be working on that goal, so you will be But the compulsory thing is that you should have that goal in your goal plan. Okay. Once it is being done, then you have a mass assign. Mass assign is something like, as I told you, with the help of CSV plan, you have a this in the later class. I will tell you how you can able to create the goal, mass goal, with the help of a CSV. Okay, so that is connected to the mass assign. Okay, then you have a delete goal. Okay, delete goal is something like, you can able to, if you want, you can able to select it and you can able to delete the goal. You can able to delete the goal. Okay, that is one thing. And then you have generate CSV header. Generate CSV header and mass assign is moreover the same. That when we go and see how you have to create a bulk, creating the bulk goal with the help of a goal library, with the help of CSV, we will go and see that part also. Another part is in term of print to the HTML or the PDF format. So what is all about this? So once your goal is being completed, so clicking on this, it will be asking you want to go for the HTML or the PDF. When you're selecting this, you're clicking on the open. Okay, it will come in this way. Okay, so if you want to, it will come in this way. So if you want to directly go to the print or download it, that option will be there for the customer. After doing all this thing, you can able to go and do the option. Is it clear, this part also? Okay. So this is one part, that is with the help of this one. Okay, now when we go here, these are certain tools which we can able to use. Cascade, mass change, and generate CSV we will discuss in the coming class. Delete, yeah, delete if you want. If you don't want that particular goal, you can select and delete it. And printing into PDF format, we have seen right now. Now when you go here at the corner, you have these dots. There also you have these dots. So here, one way is that you can edit from here. Another way is that you can edit from here. There are two ways. View goal details. When you click on the goal detail, the second option, okay, you will be having the details view of a goal. Okay, so you will be having all the details in a summary way. Okay, and you scroll down, you can able to also see the audit history also. You can see the audit history also, means what are the changes time to time, who has done the changes, what changes has been done. Okay, that also you can able to see here. Okay, and then you can able to go and see this one option also, where you can able to see certain about the goal and everything which you had been what you call uh, cascaded to your direct reporting. That option is also coming here, that will be also showing here. Okay,
Yeah.
so this you can able to go with the help of view goal details. So again, we click on here, return to goal plan. Okay, again coming here into the action, this was the part which you have seen right now, goal alignment spotlight. And goal alignment spotlight is what, on a real-time basis we rarely use these functionalities, but if in case, if time to time, if the customer have any requirement, then you should know this option is also available in the SuccessFactors application. Okay, so
Okay.
This will show the alignment, like how much it is been completed, okay, how much it is been pending, all these details it is show in a, or something like a graphical way, okay, the status and everything about that particular goal. Okay,
Hmm.
so here, if I go back to the goal, okay, then you have the this one, add goal to the outlook. So I don't if you have an outlook option also, so you can able to add that particular goal to the outlook also. Okay, so once I click on this add goal to the outlook, it will download, it will have this download. Okay, so if you are opening it, that particular goal will be opening under the outlook. Okay, that option is also there. Then you have delete goal option is there, moving goal down. Okay, what is the meaning of moving goal down? So if you want this particular you are seeing this goal, you are seeing this goal 1.1 and 1 point, if you want 1 point, this goal has to become up and this goal has to become down. So what you need to do, you have to move goal down. Now you can see this goal has come down and this goal has come up. Okay, so that
Okay.
option is also available to moving the goal internally. Okay. Intent goal we have not tried any time. So I think intent goal again, if you are, you can able to see 1.1.1 it is coming. Again, if you are adding something, that means, but generally in the real time you will be cascading, moving, pushing, copying, all these activities only from the goal management perspective you will be doing. Okay,
Hmm.
that is a deleting goal, aligning goal, cascading goal. Okay, your direct report is creating another goal from the manager's end. Okay, these are the things you will be doing. Okay, so these are the particular parts which we have done right now, and then again going back, these are the things which we have done, that is add goal. We have done all these activities, various ways of creating the goal, action we have gone through it. Okay, display option also we have seen it. Now if I come back, become cell, go to the admin center, we'll see what are the other objectives. Going into the admin center, okay, into the goal management. So we have this beta goal input. So this topic will be covering up in the later part of the section. So I'm just pausing this. Email notification template. If you remember in the introduction to mastery, before starting the employee central, we have already covered up email notification. From the company setting, you can able to go and see the template and go and create the template according to that. That is
Yeah.
email notification. Then you have this also. I'm just pausing for a while. We will go to this import and export goal library. That is another topic. Import and export. That is to the wealth of CSV file. When I click on the import and export, So in the import and export goal library, you will be having download goal, import goal with the help of CSV file, export goal library to a CSV file. Okay. So first of
Okay.
all, you have to import the goal. So exporting the goal, what it will give, what are the all the goals which are there in this instance, it will show all the goals in the CSV format. Okay, it won't show your goal or it won't show my goal. You have created some goal, I have created some goal, and third person also created some goal. All the goals which is being created in this company ID, which will be reflecting in the CSV format, all the goals.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And the languages, which languages you want to choose. If you want to choose any particular language, Arabic, English, US or something, or any country specific, that also you can choose. But let's take, we will be choosing as English US. Okay. And
Hmm.
then we will be selecting the export option. Okay. Just moving this here. Okay. It is been downloaded. So when I am just opening this, you can able to see this is the CSV format. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a CSV format. So in the CSV format, the most important thing is the top. You can see the type, goal library, version, okay, parent GUI, local, okay, and then you have a this one, entry name, okay. So our main activity, which what we need to see is from the serial number, from the row number 8. That is this one,
Yeah.
okay. So where you can able to see these are some functionalities, where add, we have add, delete or update. Okay, these are functionalities. You want to add it a new goal, then you use this tool called add. If you are using, if you want to modify the existing goal, you will be using update. Okay, and if you are want to delete something, then you will use delete. Okay,
Yeah.
and here you can see the heading goal library, and you have the version, that is GUID. Okay, so here you can able to see the GUID, and then you have a parent GUID is there. Okay, so here what is the thing which is coming, this is coming with the SuccessFactor goal library starting with. Okay, so under the SuccessFactor goal library, if you remember, we went here, where we went here, mm, we went to this one, what you call, let me duplicate the screen. When I went here, in the previous class, uh, we went to this goal library, if you remember. This is the goal library goal. Okay, so here, if you can able to see, this is the SuccessFactor library. Okay, this
Hmm.
SuccessFactor library is showing here. Here you can see here, and under SuccessFactor library, the first one was GUID. Okay, when under SuccessFactor library, when you create a category, the GUID, the previous GUID will become the parent GUID. Okay, the
Hmm.
the previous GUID was this one,
Six.
something
Yeah.
around 6 lakhs one. Okay, and under SuccessFactor library, we are creating the first category, that is IT. Okay, so IT, when you are creating, then this GUID will become the parent GUID, and under this parent GUID, you will be creating the another GUID. Okay, so under this parent GUID means parent GUID is connected to the IT. Okay, if I go back here into the system, back into the system, if I will show you here, you can see here application development, application management. So again, if I go back here, under the IT that become a parent GUID, you created this new GUID, and under IT again you are creating a subcategory, and that subcategory name is, what is the subcategory name? Application development. When you go back here, under IT, this IT is the main category. Okay, under this IT you have a subcategory. What is the subcategory? Application development. Okay, so how you created the application development? Again, for creating the application development, this GUID which was connected to the IT, that under IT you want to create the subcategory. So what is the GUID for that IT? That GUID will become the
Parent.
parent ID, because you are creating some 4 categories under that. So suppose first subcategory is applicant development. So applicant development, you taken this IT as a parent GUID and you created a new GUID. Okay, and under this applicant development, in the next level, see, up to here it is coming as category. Okay, now under this category you want to create some goal. Okay, under the application development. So in the next instance, again this category, application development category GUID will become a parent GUID.
Yeah.
Okay, and under that you will create some 4 to 5 goals. When I again go back into the screen here, where it is, when I again go back into the screen, if you click on here, you can see here these are the goals which is been created under application development. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. If I go back here under the application development, okay, you can able to see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, you can able to see, and after that the another category is coming, that is help desk. Okay, but again this help desk is not under application development. Okay, this help desk is under where? Under the IT. Okay, so that is the thing, when you are creating it, again it is coming taking as parent. Okay, IT GUID they are taking it as parent. If I again go back here under the IT, the first one is application development, second one is under the IT, it is help desk. Okay, this is the help desk.
Hmm.
So again, if you go here, that is the thing, we have taken IT GUID, this one, as help desk parent GUID. Okay, and under this category you will have these goals, again it will be created. So again help desk GUID will become the parent GUID for creating the goals here. Okay, got it? Then you have the application management. Now again, if you go back here, okay, if you see here, this IT was coming under this one, what you call IT, and everything was coming under success factor. Now the
Yeah.
another one, that is management. If you go back here, okay, so if you go back here, if I want to see management, where is the management? Let me go and Let me go and see just a minute. And after IT is management. And under management you have performance management and staffing and retention. So again you go back here. Okay. So performance management, control F, performance management. Okay. I think this one it is sure. Category performance management. Okay. So if you see another category performance management, and if you can see here, this is the main category. This was a category which I was searching. So this is coming under, this is management when we are creating, this is coming under the main, that is success factor library. That is the thing. If you can see, parent they have taken as 6 lakhs 1. Okay, 6 lakhs 1, which you have taken this one, 6 lakhs 1. Okay, because IT we have completed, and after that management, that is also coming under the this one, success factor goal level. Okay, so in this way you have to see what is the GUID, what is the parent GUID, and how you have to create in the CSV file, and then you have to import back. There may be some requirement sometimes while doing some bulk goal library, you have to use this import and export library functionality. So at that time you need to see, suppose what the customer will say, we have a goal, we have a category. Customer will say that we have a category by name administration. Okay, so under the, suppose administration support, under the administration support you want to create, they will say you need to create a subcategory. Okay, so for creating a subcategory, and under that subcategory you need to create some goals. All the details they will give. So how you will create it? First you have to see administrative support. When you see the administrative support, what is the GUID for the administrative support? This one. Okay, so when you are taking this GUID, so you have to copy this. Okay, after copying this you have to come down. Okay, and here you need to specify. Okay, is it add or something? If it is add, then you have to specify add. Okay, then you have to copy this whole library. Okay, and here what was the last one, that administrative part? I missed it. This one, so I need to copy this. Okay, and after copying this you need to come down here. After coming down you have to specify, because it will become a parent, so you have to select parent. Okay, the remaining you have to specify, and you need to specify what is the category. Okay, what is the category? Is it a goal or a category? So suppose if it is a category, you need to specify as a category. Okay, you need to specify as a category. Okay, so for specifying this as a category, so what was the last one which you have taken? That number you need to see. What was the last one? Okay, so here the last one was 670 102 106 17108 108. So 10 up to 108. Okay. The last one you need to see. Okay, that number you need to write it here, and you have to specify the category. What is the category? Uh, Under the administrative support, you are creating one is suppose you are creating on-site global support. On-site global support. Admin on-site global support. Okay, you need to select, and this number you need to identify on a real-time basis. What is this number? GUID, what was the last GUID which is being taken. After that only you have to take the next number. Okay, and then you have to save it, and then you have to import it back into the system. For importing, where you will go, you have to go here into the system where it is. Yeah, we downloaded this, we updated it. You go back into the second section, import goal library, select the import, and guess what are the file which you have saved in your system. You have to import that file. Okay, and after that, how you will go and check that is coming or not? Again, you have to go to this particular section. Okay, into the add goal library. Okay, that is from here. You need to go here, add goal, create new goal, library, and what was the thing? Under the idea where it was, administrative support. I think it was a part of HR, HR administrator. Administrator. So administration. So that is coming under the main one. So where is main administration? This one, first one. So here you have created the another category. Suppose under this only you created another category, administrative support, and under this category you will be responsible to add some more goals. So in this way, so what will be your approach? You cannot able to do two things at a time. The first step is to add the category. Okay, so that you can able to do it from here. You cannot do all these things at a time. Means you are not doing at a time only. You are adding the category, and below category you are adding the goals also. First, step by step you have to go. First you have to see what are the how many categories you want to create. That categories you first of all add. After adding, import it. Importing, after importing, go and check those categories are coming here or not. Subcategories. Once the subcategory is coming, it will be blank. Automatically it will be blank. It will be like this only. Okay, down it won't be there. Now you have to, under that subcategory, you need to add the goals. So how you will add? Then again go back into the system. Again go back here. Again go back here. Select it, download it, fresh sheet. Fresh CSV file, just download it. When you download it, then your goals, so then your category will be also showing there. Okay, and what was the GUID for that category? Take that category as a parent GUID and try to add the goal level detail. Okay, so in that way you can able to save it, and then you again you go back into the system. Again you go back into the system, import it successfully without any error. After importing it, then you go back and see here that first step what category you have selected. Under that, those goals are coming in a aligned way or not. Okay, so in this way you can able to create the category, subcategory, and the goal also. So there may be a requirement from the customer. Already the category is there. Under the category, you may need to create a subcategory. That may be requirement. Or they may be give some requirement that you create a category. Under the category, you create these goals. These are the two options from the customer end for the support or implementation. They will give you the requirement. Okay. So for that, how you will go? You have to go to the import and export goal library, which I shown you. Import and export goal library. Okay. And first of all, download it. Download the CSV file. After downloading it, I just explained you what is the meaning of GUID and parent GUID. Try to understand which what is the main GUID under which you want to create the category. That main GUID you will be taking as a parent GUID. Okay, and under that
Yep.
you will be creating the category center. Okay, anyway
Yep.
you will be doing all these activities in the preview system, or it is in the development system. So you can able to see how the things are coming. Once it is coming in an organized way, then you can go and show to the customer, and if they are okay, whatever the changes you are doing, keep it in a folder. Okay, so that
Okay.
you can able to understand that because you may be doing some multiple changes, so you should change the file name separately. Okay, so that
Yep.
it should not be a confusion for you. And once you show this to the customer, and if the customer do the UAT testing, user acceptance testing, if the customer says now it is okay, then the same process you have to do it in the production also. Okay, so
Okay.
when you're doing it in the production, rather going into the scratch level, you can refer the sheet which you have done in the previous system. It will be easy for you. So the customer will give, but as it is a bulk one, and it is something a tricky part also, because you should know it has to be coming under which category, or under which subcategory you need to create, or which goals
This
you
does
want to
not.
create. There won't be any impact on it, but sometimes what happens, by wrongly you want to import a goal under one category, by wrongly you have mapped it into the another category. Okay,
Hmm.
that can
Hmm.
also be possible. So then you have to immediately delete that goal.
Rectified. Yeah.
Delete that goal. Again, here you have this tools that you have. These are the tools. This one, add, this option is there na? This one, add,
Yeah.
update, delete. So you are adding some new goal or new category, then you use this functionality, add. Okay, if you want to modify the existing one, then you need to select update in the caps. Okay,
Yeah.
or if you want to totally delete that particular goal, then you have to select delete, DA. Okay,
Okay.
these are the three areas which we need to work on. Okay, this requirement generally used to come either implementation or post implementation.
Okay.
Okay, so one we have seen that personal goal, then we have seen goal library, third we have seen goal wizard, and fourth we have seen the CSV. Okay,
Yep.
so in the tomorrow's class, we will also go and see certain other functionalities of the goal. So we'll be completing moreover the goal management, and then we will be starting up the performance management.
Okay.
Okay, some part is there uh, that is configuration lies under the provisioning system. Let me check if I have some screenshot. I will share that screenshot also to you. That what are the activities which we need to do in the provisioning system.
Okay.
So XMLs and everything. How Employee Central we have XMLs for the goal for the PMGM. XMLs are connected to the goal management.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I will show you what are the XMLs and everything. But let's complete this part in the tomorrow session. So we will complete the goal management and then we will start up with the performance management template. So initially when we started with the rating scale, route map, then we started with the goal template, then we started with the categories. We created the goal, under that we created the categories, then we have seen the types, field types and everything. Then we have created the goals. Now we have seen how to push and pull the code with the help of the cascade and everything. And 4 ways we have seen how to create the goals. So these all are coming under the this one, what you call goal management.
Okay.
Okay. So we have this goal management, performance management, then we have competencies, then we have continuous performance management, then we have this one calibration and the 360 multi-rate. These are the contents which will be covering up under PMGR. So goal management is important part. So that is the thing we have taken this much time. So you're completing goal management, then all in the performance management. The only thing is that we have to map all the activities, rating scale, route map, goal, all these things.